How are you? Are you happy? Yes, good. Show me a big smile for happy. Very good. I hope you had a good weekend. Today we're going to do some more phonics. Yay! So I'm going to turn you around now. We're going to do a new letter today. What could the letter be? What letter do you think it could be? Oh, let's see. It's letter... Wow! Do you know what this letter is? W. Can you say W? W. Do you know the W sound? It's W. Can you say W? W. Okay, when the W jumps, I want you to say W. Are you ready? W. Good job. Again. W. Very good. One more time. W. Awesome. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see me making the W sound. So you need to have your mouth shaped like this. W. 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 Can you try? W. W. Good job. Okay. So you can see on the screen I have an uppercase W and a lowercase W. Can you point to uppercase? Good job. Here is uppercase. W. 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 Good job. And can you point to lowercase? Yes. W. 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 Let's try again so you can make the W sound when the W jumps. Are you ready? W. Good job. W. Good. W. Awesome. Okay. Now, we're going to look at the next page. Can you see the W on the screen? Yes, I can see 1, 2. What color is the uppercase W? Yes, it's red. And what color is the lowercase W? Yes, it's blue. Okay, we're going to sing a song. And you need to say, W, W, W. Can you do that? W, W, W. Good, one more time. W, W, W. Good, with the W sound. What can you see in the picture? We can see a tree. And we can see a cloud. And this is the wind. W, W, wind. And yes, there is a rainbow. We studied rainbow last week. Okay, let's press play and listen to the song. Oh.
I see the clouds moving, wow, wow, wow. I see the kites flying, wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending, wow, wow, wow. The wind is blowing strong.
Awesome. And you can see the wind is moving in the cloud's mouth. So when it says W, 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 we are going to make the W sound. Are you ready? Look at the wind.
I see the clouds moving,
Wow, wow, wow.
I see the kites flying,
Wow, wow, wow.
I see the trees bending,
Wow, wow, wow.
the wind is blowing strong.
Good. And did you see my hands? My hands are blowing like the wind. So, I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, 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 I see the trees bending. Wah, 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 the wind is blowing strong. Good. Can you do one more time? Are you ready?
I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying.
Wah, wah, wah,
I see the trees bending.
wah, wah, wah.
The wind is blowing strong.
Good job. Now, if you look at the picture, you can see in red, wah, wah, wah. And again, wah, wah, wah. And again, wah, wah, wah. Can you see another letter W in the picture? Yes, it's an uppercase W. It is here. This word says wind. Wind. Like this is the wind. Very good. Okay, now we're going to learn some letter W words. What is this? Yes, it's watermelon. Watermelon. Good. Can you see letter W? Yes, it's here and it makes the W sound in watermelon. Watermelon. Very good. What's the next one? It's a whale. 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 Very good. And this is a walrus. Can you see the walrus has big tusks? It's a walrus. Very good. And the next one is easy. It's water. Water begins with the W sound. Can you say water? Water. Good job. Now we're going to read a poem about watermelons and water and whales and a walrus. Are you ready? It says, we love watermelons. They are the best. They're full of water. Let's put this to the test. Just ask a whale or a walrus what they like, and they will say water every time. Good job. So now I'm going to read the poem, and when I say the W words, I want you to point to the picture. Are you ready? Good job. We love watermelons. They are the best. They're full of water. Let's put this to the test. Just ask a whale or a walrus what they like, and they will say water every time. Good job. Let's try again, but this time Miss Cat is not going to point. You need to point your fingers. Ready? We love watermelons. They are the best. They're full of water. Let's put this to the test. Just ask a whale or a walrus what they like, and they will say water every time. Good job. Did you get them? Yes, well done. Okay. So, what letter was it? W, very good. Can you make the sound? W. Again. W. Again. W. Very good. So, now we're going to learn some more letter W words. This word is winner. Can you see he is in first place? He's the winner. 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 Good job. And she is walking. Can you say walk? Walk. Good job. What's this? Window. 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 Good job. What's this one? Oh, he is wet. 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 Good job. It's a wiggly worm. 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 Good job. And what's this? I can see a brush. It is paint. It is, what color is this? White. 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 Good job. Okay, now we're going to do the letter W song. So, in the song, I want to hear you singing really loudly. What sound are you going to make? Good job. What letters can you see on the screen? W. Very good. Can you point to the lowercase w? Lowercase. Good. This one. And the uppercase W. Good job. Okay, let's press play.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how.
Oh, can you see? Oh, hang on. Let's try again.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show.
Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. Now you can see all the letters. Can you find the letter W? Where is letter W? Well done. It's here. What sound does it make? Very good.
Show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter W.
W.
This is a capital W.
A capital W.
This is a lowercase W.
Lowercase.
How the W looks now.
Let's make the W sound. Ready? Wah. Good job.
W is for walk.
Walk. Can you walk?
W is for window.
Window.
W is for watermelon.
Watermelon.
W is for wig.
Wig.
W is for one.
One.
W is for water.
Water.
You know some W words now.
Let's make the W sound. Are you ready? Wah.
Your turn.
W. Good job. Okay. Let's see how many of these words you can remember. What is this word? I can see some eyes and some rain. What is it? Can you remember? Wet. Good job. Wet. Good. And what's the next one? Oh, I can see a curtain and a tree. Yes, it's a window. Window. Good job. And this is green and it's stripy. What could it be? It's round. Oh, I can see some red. It's a watermelon. Watermelon. Good. What's the next one going to be? I think I see a brush. Yes. With some paint. What color is the paint? Yes, it's white. White. Awesome. What's this one? I see a number 1 and some feet and a trophy. Yes, it's winner. Winner. Good job. What's the next one? Oh, what is that? I don't know. Oh, I can see some tusks. Can you remember this one? And a face. It's a walrus. Walrus. Good. What's this? Some eyes. And a tail. What is this? It's a worm. Worm. Good. I can see a fence. Oh, but what's this? Yes, it's water. Water. Very good. Oh, I don't know what that is. Maybe some grass. I can see a hand. What is it? A girl? Yes, it's walk. Walk. Good. What could this be? There is a tail. Very good. And an eye and a mouth. It's a whale. Whale. Very good. Now I want you to pause the video and you can color in the pictures that you see on the screen. Point to them and tell me the names. Good job. Okay, can you remember the letter? It's letter W. Good job. Say bye-bye, letter W. Bye-bye, W. Good job. And say bye-bye, Miss Cat.